you want an even toned, glowy and beautiful skin, this is your #1 choice of products. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about body lotions for caramel skin. I'm talking about the caramel skin down to the cocoa skin tone. All right, you know, when we are talking about skin tone, we just generalize. We don't talk about the different shades of skin tone. Now on this video, I'm going to be talking about the body lotions you can use if you have such skin tone. All right, and let me say this: if you have such skin tone, you have no business using lightening products. You have no business using lightening products. Your skin tone is very beautiful. All you just need to do is to polish it. Okay, now I know that a lot of you are used to hearing that when picking skincare products, you don't need to consider your skin tone, that you just need to consider your skin type and the other factors. I am telling you today, your skin tone matters on the kind of product you should be using. Okay, if you care about your skin, you want your skin tone to be intact, then you have to consider it when making choice of products. When it comes to skincare, your skin tone will determine the way your skin will react to certain ingredients. Right? Dark skin people are prone to hyperpigmentation, whereas light skin tone are prone to sun damage. Skin tone matters because your skin melanin level will influence the way the product's ingredients will react on your skin. Your skin melanin level will determine how your skin will react to certain ingredients. When you're using it for treatment, it will determine how your skin will react to certain external factors. Now pay attention. Your dark skin produces more melanin, and that is why it is prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation are hyperpigmentation that comes as a result of acne, irritation, or even sun exposure. This is why ingredients like hydroquinone, azelaic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, and the likes are more suitable for treating hyperpigmentation on dark skin tone, whereas strong ingredients, strong AHAs, just like glycolic acid, will not be suitable. This is why glycolic acid may not be suitable for all skin type when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. It is because of skin tone and other factors. Dark skin tones are also prone to transepidermal water loss. This means if you don't moisturize well, you may end up having dry skin. This is why you see most people with dark caramel skin, they always have dry skin, because their skin is prone to water loss. Dark skin tone has lower ceramide level. This explains why you tend to have dry skin if you live in dry area, if you live in northern area, if you live in cold area. This explains why you tend to have flaky dry skin during dry season if you live in cold area. It is because of your skin tone. Now let me break this in details. Ceramides are lipids that make up to 50% of the skin barrier. So this helps to protect the skin from irritation. It helps to protect the skin from dehydration. It helps to protect the skin from excessive water loss. Just picture the whole ceramide thing as the cement that holds your skin cells together to prevent excessive water loss in order to keep your skin barrier intact. And I just said that dark skin tone has lower ceramide level. So why does this matter in skincare? Lower ceramide level in dark skin tone means that your dark skin tone will lose moisture easily, okay? Which means when it loses that water, your skin is prone to broken skin barrier. This is why once you start using your lightening products, you're going to notice that your skin feels drier because it is drying up the moisture in your skin. So this is why you need rich moisturizers. You need rich, creamy moisturizers, all right, for your skin tone, especially if you're dark skin tone. Ingredients like ceramide, shea butter, oil, your coconut oil, they go a long way to help your skin retain moisture. All right, so if you're dark skin, you want to tilt towards products that contain this kind of ingredients because they're going to help your skin to retain more moisture and glow and give you that even toned, radiant and beautiful skin. Let's talk about the best body lotion for caramel skin. When I talk about this body lotion, I mean body lotions that contains ingredients, all the ingredients your body needs to retain moisture, to shine. The first body lotion here is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Now, let us review this body lotion and see why it is good for dark caramel skin. When I was going through their website, I noticed that they said it helps to improve healthy skin in 24 hours. And I thought to myself, how possible is this? It is very possible, because when you have a hydrated skin, your skin glow, your skin thrives, okay? Whatever you're using, it is very important for you to strike a balance. Ensure that your skin is not lacking moisture, because if your skin is lacking moisture, there is no way those other lightening products, those other brightening products will show. Okay, so this means that when your skin is hydrated, your skin is going to glow. This brings me back to what they said. It is clinically proven to improve healthy skin in 24 hours, which means that if your skin is hydrated, it will glow. If you want your skin to glow, this body lotion is a very good choice of product. Another thing is that it is fragrance free. So if you're always reacting to fragrances, this one is your holy grail, okay? It is non-comedogenic. A comedogenic product is a product that will block the barrier of your skin, okay? It is going to block the pores of your skin and give you rashes. This body lotion will not give you such a thing. So the moment you are applying it, it is going to be fully absorbed into your skin. Then it will improve your skin texture. This body lotion is very gentle on the skin. I have used it and I love it. I keep saying it. Aveeno Daily Body Lotion is one lotion you will definitely love if you're caramel skin and you have dry skin. It contains prebiotic oats. Prebiotic oats is an ingredient that helps to improve dry and compromised skin, okay? So if you have dry skin and your skin is always feeling irritated, this is a very good choice of product you definitely want to try. People are saying good things about the body lotion. So if you want an even toned, glowy and beautiful skin, this is your #1 choice of product. Next body lotion I'm going to talk about is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This body lotion contains coconut oil. It contains cocoa butter as the main active ingredient. It contains vitamin E. All these ingredients put together, they are going to blend your skin. They are going to make it even toned. They are going to make your skin shine. Cocoa butter contains antioxidant properties, just like niacinamide that I mentioned, that it contains antioxidant properties that is going to protect your skin. Cocoa butter contains antioxidant properties that is going to protect your skin and enhance your skin over time. It also contains soothing properties that is going to help your skin if you're always having skin irritation. This body lotion is good. It contains vitamin E, coconut oil and glycerin. This vitamin E is what is going to protect your skin from environmental stressors. I keep mentioning it. This body lotion is going to heal your skin. Even if you have lighting, you've used lots of lightening products and you just said, oh, I'm tired of this, I'm tired of all these patches on my skin, I want to go back to my natural skin tone. This body lotion is going to help you repair your skin because it contains healing properties, okay? It contains vitamin E that is going to help to keep your skin glowy. If you're unable to find the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion, this is also a great choice of product, especially if you just want to maintain your skin tone and make your skin shine. Another body lotion you will definitely love is the Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion. This body lotion contains deep moisture, it contains vitamin E and it contains cocoa butter. If you noticed one thing, they have similar ingredients, okay? Which means these products are handpicked for people with that kind of skin tone. I mean, there is no need of using lightening products when you can use products that will enhance your skin tone, okay? These body lotions contains cocoa butter and vitamin E. And like I said earlier, cocoa butter contains antioxidant properties that is going to help to protect your skin, that is going to enhance your skin tone over time, okay? It contains vitamin E that is going to give your skin that shine and also protect your skin from environmental stressors. I made a video where I dissected most of the ingredients on face moisturizers. Okay, you want to check that out so that you catch up. So I talked about a lot of ingredients on that video. Now, vitamin E helps to protect your skin from environmental stressors, just like niacinamide, just like vitamin C. All right, so this is the function of vitamin E, and these body lotions for your skin contains vitamin E and cocoa butter, which are great ingredients for your skin. Now, the last body lotion I'm going to talk about is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant. You all know Vaseline now. Vaseline is just that brand that does no harm in my eyes. I love Vaseline brand. They are just like Dove. So if you by chance come across any of these body lotions I have mentioned, you can blindly buy any of them because they are going to make your skin supple, they are going to make your skin beautiful, they are going to make your skin even toned and shiny. You know that glow that when you look at people, you cannot fathom what they are using on their skin. This is what these body lotions are going to help you achieve on your skin. And of course, you want to pair it with a body lotion. Your skin tone is blended. You just want to add up with body oil so that it will give it that shine. Most of these body lotions I have reviewed here today, I have used them personally and I highly recommend. Anything that has to do with caramel skin tone, I love it because my skin tone is close to that skin tone. These products are very, very good. They are your top picks when you want to pick any product for your body, okay, especially if you're caramel skin tone. My skin tone is almost caramel, so I have used most of these things and I can tell you for sure they are very effective. They are going to make your skin shine, they are going to make your skin glowy, they are going to make your skin even toned. At this point, I have come to the end of today's video. I sincerely want to read from you guys. Please tell me whatever you have, tell me what you think in the comment section. If you have questions, do ask them in the comment section because there is no way I'll be interacting with you. Without your engagement, it will look like I'm not talking to anybody. All right, so please do well to engage and do well to give this video a huge thumbs up, okay, so that it will encourage me to shoot more videos and post. I post everything skincare, I post beauty, I talk about lifestyle. All right, so these are the kind of content you'll be getting on this my channel, and I want us to grow together. So do well to hit the subscribe button. Let us grow together.